Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling precise inputs: current assets, inventory, cash, receivables, and total liabilities. Once you have the balance sheet, subtract liabilities and preferred claims from current assets to focus on net working capital. Make sure to confirm shares outstanding and market price per share before proceeding. This first calculation narrows the universe to per share working capital. It's the foundation. If a number is missing, pause and retrieve the official statement rather than estimating. Once done with raw inputs, you adjust for conservatism and realism. Reduce inventory to realizable value, remove non-operating assets, and include excess cash. Then determine realizable liquidation values where appropriate. This prevents overstating the net. After those adjustments, calculate NCAV per share by dividing adjusted current assets minus total liabilities by shares outstanding. You do this so the per share metric reflects what a disciplined buyer might actually recover in a liquidation. To finish, compare the NCAV per share to the current market price. You're looking for stocks trading materially below that figure. Then run a sensitivity test, adjust inventory recoveries or receivables by reasonable percentages to see outcome ranges. If the margin tightens, reassess assumptions. As a troubleshooting tip, verify accounting dates, related party transactions, and contingent liabilities. These often hide value traps. If numbers don't reconcile, go back to source filings and correct any input errors.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.